Dancehall artists Yellowman's triumph, overcoming cancer and redefining dancehall. Winston Foster OD, universally celebrated as Yellowman or King Yellowman, is a legendary Jamaican reggae and dancehall DJ who revolutionized the genre in the 1980s. With his electrifying singles, he skyrocketed to fame, becoming a trailblazer in the dancehall scene. Yellowman is hailed as a pioneer, credited with almost single-handedly crafting the raw, unfiltered sound that defines modern dancehall. As the vanguard of the dancehall DJ movement, Yellowman didn't just captivate Jamaican audiences, he took the genre global, mesmerizing fans worldwide. His dynamic presence and fearless lyrics made him an icon. Beyond his musical prowess, Yellowman's personal life is equally compelling. He and his wife Rosie have been steadfast partners since the dawn of his career, raising a family steeped in musical heritage. A devoted NBA enthusiast, Yellowman even named one of his sons after the basketball legend Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. This passion for the sport saw him courtside at several games during the mid-1980s. Following in her father's illustrious footsteps, his daughter Kareema has carved out her own path in music, often sharing the stage and studio with Yellowman, creating a powerful father-daughter duo. Career. Winston Foster, famously known as Yellowman or King Yellowman, has an inspiring story marked by resilience and groundbreaking achievements. Abandoned by his parents, he grew up in the Maxfield Children's Home and the renowned Alpha Boys School in Kingston, known for its musical alumni. Despite being ostracized due to his albinism, Yellowman emerged as a prominent figure in reggae and dancehall. Yellowman first caught the public's eye in the late 1970s, finishing second in the 1978 Tasty Talent contest to Nadine Sutherland, and winning it the following year, launching his professional career. He honed his skills at outdoor sound system dances, notably with Aces International, and found success as a recording artist with producer Henry Ajunjoa Laws in the early 1980s. In 1981, Yellowman became the first dancehall artist signed to a major American label, Columbia Records. His debut studio album, A Mr. Yellowman in 1982, followed by the hit Zunga Zunga Guzing in 1983, brought him instant success. However, his sexually explicit lyrics, exemplified in songs like Mad Over Me, drew criticism in the mid-1980s. Yellowman defended his lyrics, stating, "I never know why they call it slackness. I talk about sex, but it's just what happens behind closed doors. What I talk is reality." During his time with Aces International, Yellowman frequently performed with Vernon "A Fathead" Rainford, and the duo collaborated on several studio releases. The 1980s were his most productive decade, with around 20 albums released under various labels, including a Duppy or Gunman and a Bad Boy Skanking. Yellowman appeared in the 1983 Jamaican dancehall Volcano High Power, alongside major dancehall artists like Massive Dread and Eek Mouse. Despite a setback with his 1984 Columbia release A King Yellowman, which incorporated unpopular rhythm and blues and disco elements, he quickly rebounded by returning to his classic style. In 1987, Yellowman topped the charts with his rendition of A Blueberry Hill, inspired by Meeting Fats Domino. By the mid-1990s, he shifted to socially conscious material, rising to international fame alongside artists like Buju Banton. He released up to 5 albums per year in the early 1980s, reinventing himself with a 1994 album A Prayer, which reflected a more religious theme and gratitude for surviving cancer. Yellowman's recent albums include New York 2003, Around 1 2005, and No More War 2019. He has also collaborated with Run DMC on a roots rap reggae and continues to perform globally with his Sagittarius band, touring countries such as Nigeria, Spain, Peru, Sweden, Italy, Germany, Britain, France, Kenya, the United States and Canada. Nominated twice for the Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album, in 1985 for King Yellowman, and in 1998 for A Freedom of Speech, Yellowman was the first dancehall artist recognized in this category. In 2018, he was honored with the Order of Distinction, Officer Class, by the Jamaican government. Cancer disease. In 1982, Yellowman faced a daunting battle when he was diagnosed with skin cancer. After enduring multiple surgeries, he managed to persevere and continue his career, with the cancer seemingly going into remission. However, between late 1984 and 1986, doctors discovered the cancer had spread to his jaw. Yellowman underwent a highly invasive surgery to remove a malignant tumor, resulting in the removal of a significant portion of the left side of his lower jaw and permanently disfiguring his face. Despite this, he demonstrated remarkable resilience, spending time in recovery before making a triumphant return to music and live performances in 1987. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more exciting news.